Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you go down a line in a cell while typing in Excel. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do it yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up Excel if you haven't already. After opening up Excel guys, you want to either create a new workbook or select the Excel file that you want to edit. So let's say this is the file that we want to use today. And here guys, after opening up the file, you can see we have a table right here. Now let's say we want to type in some text right here. Let's say this is for a tutorial video today. And as you can see here guys, it is going into other column. Let's say that I want to make it to go into a new line right here. And if I click enter guys, then only the thing it will do is go ahead and open up a new cell. So guys, how do you make this go into a new line while typing? Well guys, it is very easy. All you have to do guys is do the following. You have to click Alt on your keyboard, click Alt and then click enter. And guys, after holding Alt and clicking enter, now you can see that this will successfully go into a new line right here and you can continue typing. So let's go ahead and click on Alt, enter again. And now guys, as you can see, we can continue typing and this is a nice video. So after finishing typing guys, you can see that now we have successfully go into new lines. You can now later edit this on, you look more nice, but yeah guys, that's how you do it. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.